Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an amazing tutorial for you. We're diving into the world of secure and fast internet connections by showing you how to create an SSH, SSL, TLS server payload and set it up on the Armod VPN app. This setup will enhance your browsing experience with faster speeds and more secure connections. For more VPN updates, tricks, and tips, don't forget to visit our blog. If you're new here, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's dive right in. First, let's create your SSH TLS server account. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. Look through the search results and click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create the SSH SSL server you'll use. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, find the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select SSH Server, and then choose SSH Tunnel Server on the new pop-up window. You'll now be redirected to an account creation page. Here, enter a unique username and solve the CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot. After that, click Create Now. Within seconds, your server will be generated, and you'll see your server details, including the IP address, port, username, and password. Save this information, you'll need it later. Now let's move on to setting up the SSH TLS server on the Armod VPN app. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Armod VPN app installed. If you don't, head over to the Play Store, search for Armod VPN, and download it. Once installed, open the app to access the home screen. Look for a small plus icon and click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the options, select SSH Tunnel, which will take you to a new page. In the remarks field, enter a name for your server, like SSH Tunnel. Below that, input the server's IP or host address, port number, usually 443, username, password, valid payload, and proxy if available. For the TLS type, choose the appropriate option for your setup. In the SNI field, add your server's host or any SNI details if available. Once everything is correctly filled out, click the Save icon in the top right corner. This will save your configuration. Finally, return to the home screen of the Armod VPN app and click the Play button to connect. If all the details were added correctly, you'll be connected to a secure web connection in no time. And that's it. You've successfully created an SSH SSL TLS server and configured it with the Armod VPN app for faster and more secure browsing. Remember to double-check your details during setup to avoid connection issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for